In today's video, we'll take a look at the best exercise bikes to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Exercise Bikes 2022 is Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Best Folding Exercise Bike. Folding exercise bikes are great if you live in a small space and don't have much room to store workout equipment. The Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike not only folds to half its size, but it's also sturdy enough to hold up to 300 pounds. The large cushion seat can be adjusted for a height range of 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. An LCD display indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, and more. Built-in pulse sensors in the handlebar monitor your target heart rate. And the 8 levels of tension allow you to make your workout easier or harder. At number 4. Freebeat X Bike. The best exercise bike for music lovers. The Freebeat X Bike turns spinning into a video game. The bike comes with a large screen, where you can join various 15 or 30-minute workouts. There are no longer workouts on the platform just yet. Rather than just spinning your legs, each ride is a game of who can stay on the beat the longest, complete with a leaderboard. The longer you stay on the beat, the faster you climb on the board. There's no doubt about it, the classes are fun. In addition to cycling workouts, the Freebeat bike also offers strength workouts. The bike has a spot to store weights, but you'll have to purchase your own. We've found the best adjustable dumbbells to invest in for weightlifting at home here. You can also rotate the bike's screen, so you can do the workouts without standing right next to the bike. This is a brilliant feature and one that is not often found on a bike at this price point. At number 3. Yosuda Indoor Stationary Cycling Bike. Best exercise bike under $500. For those of us who want a good workout without sacrificing a month or two of rent, the Yosuda Indoor Stationary Cycling Bike is a high-quality, reasonably priced option. It's true that the YB001 model doesn't offer a quarter of the frills you'd find on a Peloton, Bowflex Velocore, or NordicTrack S22i. But what it lacks in cutting-edge features and comprehensive metrics, it makes up for in solid construction and design. With those essentials in place and a little bit of ingenuity, it can deliver a similar cycling experience to one of these elite brands. At number 2. Peloton Bike. Best high-end exercise bike. Peloton has become a craze and a meme for its high-end exercise bike, hardcore instructors, and HD touchscreen that streams spinning classes right into your home. At $1,495 plus $250 delivery and setup, so $1,745 in total, and $39 a month for a subscription, and more for spinning shoes. The Peloton bike is higher in price than most stationary bikes, but there is nothing like it. Peloton is the at-home version of going to a cycling studio minus being in a crowded room filled with others, and requires less time for your workout since you do not have to travel to and from the gym. The base-level Peloton bike is still an excellent choice. It's extremely well made and durable. At number 1 of the top 5 best exercise bikes 2022 is Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycle Bike. Best exercise bike for most people. This sturdy, solid stationary bike from Sunny Health and Fitness has a steel frame and 49-pound weighted flywheel that can hold a maximum weight of 275 pounds. The seat can adjust to 4 settings, and the caged pedals include clips to keep your feet in place. The leather band resistance system is designed to mimic the feel of a real road. While the bike doesn't come with a screen, there is a bottle holder, and assembly takes about 10 minutes. We found it was a very sturdy bike, had nice large toe baskets, and offered a nice quiet ride. However, those who are a bit shorter may find the bike a bit uncomfortable, as we did. And, because there's no display or guided fitness programs, you'll have to be self-motivated to use it. Overall though, it's a great bike for beginners who don't want to spend thousands of dollars on something they might not use again. Thank you for watching the top 5 best exercise bikes 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our exercise bikes buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.